This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset oil life in your Jeep Cherokee. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate your instrument cluster display. You'll use the buttons on your steering wheel to navigate through the various menus. This initial step prepares your vehicle for the oil life reset process, ensuring you can proceed smoothly. Once you're in the main menu, scroll down until you find the Vehicle Information section. Select this option to enter its submenu. Within Vehicle Information, you will see Oil Life. Select this to view your current oil life percentage. This step brings you to the specific setting you need to adjust. To reset the oil life, simply press and hold the OK button on your steering wheel. Keep holding it down for a few seconds until the display changes. You will then see Oil Life 100% appear, confirming the reset is complete. This action clears the previous oil life reading and sets it back to full. After the reset, double-check that your display now shows Oil Life 100%. This confirms you've successfully completed the process. Remember, performing regular oil changes is vital for maintaining your engine's health and longevity. It helps ensure your vehicle runs smoothly for many miles. Also, be sure to check the description below for helpful product links and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.